Hey, what's up, guys? So today in this video, we are gonna take a look how you can connect a Blogger website with Search Console. So this is our website, and this is a website of that provide free Canva invites links, and we are gonna connect this website with our Search Console. So let's just start. So first of all, we are have to search on the Google for Search Console, and this is the first URL that we have to click on, and then we have to click on this start now. After this, here we have to enter this domain, and here we have a domain. Let me copy the complete domain here, and here's a domain, and then we have to click on this continue option. So we have the access both of the search console. So this is search console that we have just created, and we have the website access on the same mail. So the process will be more easy. So now here we have to just click on this done, or we have to click on the property. So click on this go to property, and here we are. Now we are on the dashboard of the search console, and our website is successfully connected with the search console. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.